everyone, it's Sandra from the DisneyCarToys channel.
It's
and today we are playing Burger Mania.
This looks so amazing.
This is seriously the coolest game I have seen like ever.
Ever.
It is so cool. So basically, it's so excited. Okay, you grab like an order card and then you have to build your order, but you have a conveyor belt and this thing speeds up like as you go along. And you have to like make your burger according to what the card says. So it's really like working at McDonald's and then it's like lunch rush.
Yeah, like crazy.
It is so cool. So Burger Mania, I'm so excited, and we're going to like up the ante. Whoever wins has to buy lunch for the burgers. So we each have some money. And we're gonna kind of pretend we work at McDonald's here with the McDonald's Cash Register, and you get to buy the winner a prize too. So the loser's got to spend a lot of money on this game.
So loser has to buy lunch. Then.
Loser has to buy lunch. So you want to win, or else we'll take all your money. So yeah, this is so cool. So let's take it out, and I can't wait to start. Alrighty, we have our board set up, and this thing is huge. So many things. So here are our burger cards.
Yep, these are the recipe. These are the orders.
Yes.
And they have to be made specifically this way.
Yes, you gotta follow it exactly. So I'll have blue, you have orange.
Yep.
And then here's our conveyor belt. It's kind of cool because there's different levels. So like 1, 2, and 3. 3 is the hardest. Yes. So like 1 is like snail.
Okay, yeah, that's really slow.
Here, wait, I'll put this one out. There we go. Like this.
So it just
that's not bad.
That's not bad.
But then let's try 3. Oh yeah, there we go. It's like a lot faster. Yeah, that's a lot faster.
You're like, oh boy.
I'm a little scared. So,
I know, like,
whoever makes the most burgers wins. Also, you have to use your tweezers the whole time.
You cannot use your fingers to grab it.
And if anything falls on the floor, you gotta use a new piece.
Yep.
Yeah, so just like a restaurant.
Yeah, because you wouldn't eat some off the floor.
And at the end, you have to pick up your food with a plate, and if it falls off, you have to do it again.
So you have to be so careful to put it on the plate.
That's scary.
Like,
I don't know. I'm afraid. Be afraid.
Yeah, I'm scared.
Alright, so I assume we do 2 rounds.
Okay.
So 1 with medium, 1 with hard. And
man, we're just doing the hard ones.
It's gonna be so scary. So, wow, and look at these cards. I know, it's kind of cool. Okay, so.
I know, the order card.
Yeah. Okay, so I guess, yeah, here, I'll shuffle my cards. There we go.
Yeah,
okay.
Here we go. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle.
Okay. You ready?
Okay, I think I am.
Okay, so I'll press it, and then here, I guess, look at your card. Okay, I have actually just burger and cheese.
Oh, you got a lucky.
You have 2 cheese.
I've got lettuce, tomato, burger, and 2 double cheese.
Oh boy. Okay, so let's begin. So level 2. Okay, wait, tweezers.
Tweezers, ready?
Okay, ready, set, go.
Go, okay.
Okay. At least we, oh boy, at least we have our own conveyor belt. Yeah, this is already, well, it's hard to just pick up 1. No wonder, okay.
1, I know, right?
Oh, wait, and you can't use, like, your fingers. Get off. Okay.
And then we need a lettuce, and then we need a tomato, and then I need a burger.
These tweezers are like, oh, no! I have to start all over. Okay, what's it get? Oh wait, I have to use the tweezers.
Burger? Okay.
This is hard.
Oh my gosh, okay.
My tweezers are funny. I'm just gonna complain about it. No. So your bun fell off. You have to do it over again.
No!
No.
Mine are
no.
not very good.
No. It's like, no, it's too fast.
I'm gonna give it a second. Oh no!
No. You did it fall off again?
The bun keeps falling off the top.
Okay, my tweezers are hard. No, it's feeding up.
Oh no!
Wait, I can't get one.
No, I did it wrong.
Oh, I did it. Get on there. Wait. Wait.
Did you get it?
Get it. Wait, I got one. Okay, here we go. Okay. Yeah, I mean, do we even try again? Okay, here's my next one. I was making what you have.
Oh, it's really hard.
This is like impossible.
Seriously, I'm like loading up my ingredients again because I'm losing all of them.
Okay.
Does this count?
Yeah, let's count it. Wait. No. Mine's like keep on falling.
Oh no, okay. I got one. It's kind
this
of
is so hard. Okay, I don't even know. Okay, I guess we just keep on going. Or I like need to pause. Okay, we'll pause.
Alright, so she won the first round because she made the burger first.
Yeah, we have to like pause it. We need to go on the easy level.
And so that was like a more simple cheeseburger.
Yes,
so it's $2. And then
yeah.
I'll buy a toy too. For
Okay, yeah, it's a McDonald's burger, so it's not. So that's going over here. Oh yeah, let's turn it on. So burger, cheeseburger, and then I don't think there's a toy. Oh, Happy Meal.
Oh, there we go.
Okay, so $2 for the cheeseburger.
Yep, and then
that's $1 for the toy. So it's $3. Yep, cash. There we go. Okay.
Right.
So I got my burger, and I can pick this Happy Meal toy. And it's Trolls.
Oh, cool.
I'm excited. Yeah, coming out really
like
soon.
in November, yeah.
Well, I guess not that.
Not too soon.
And oh my goodness, is this really what you get?
What
it's
is
like
it?
Legs with troll hair.
It's just hair with legs. Like,
wait, this is hilarious.
Like literally hair with legs.
Weird.
I can't find
Oh
anything.
yeah, wait, here it is. Okay, so normally you can get people, and we seriously got the troll with legs. It's gotta be in the movie.
I love that.
That's actually really cool. I don't know, like if it's super
just
special
hair
or
with
not,
legs.
but that's awesome. Wait, let's have it right on the conveyor belt.
Yeah, like woo.
Let's see if we can plate it.
Oh yes, okay, we can plate the hair with legs.
This game is so hard.
It's
I don't know.
really. I mean, adults can't even do it.
So we got to go on the preschool level one.
Yeah,
we just did medium too. Is that sad?
I know, we could never do the hard one.
Okay, there we go. All right, we're ready to begin. I'm like, whoo, I'm scared. Okay, it's gonna be like so hard. We're gonna do easy preschool level.
Yeah.
Here's my burger though. I'm gonna do lettuce, tomato, 2 burger patties.
Yeah.
So double.
Be one of everything.
One of everything. Okay. And I fixed my tweezers. They were kind of not working, so that was part of my problem.
Yeah, they were getting stuck.
They're getting stuck. Yeah. So yeah. So this hopefully is better.
Yeah, hopefully.
Okay. So round 1. Ready, set, go.
Okay.
Yeah. Last time I thought I'd be like making so. Oh boy, it's like terrible. Lettuce.
Tomato.
Just making a mess. Yeah, this is so much better.
Oh my gosh.
Like having it actually
way more our pace.
Yes.
Like so much more doable.
Oh no. Uh-oh.
And I gotta plate it. Let's see.
No. No. Like all sorts of problems. No. No, why? Woo! You got it! Wait. No, I can't play it.
Get it, wait.
Oh, nothing. Okay, well, let me try again. Okay, I just need my top one.
But yeah, I don't want to use that.
Oh no.
Okay. No.
This is really hard when they get high like this. No, mine's all the problem. I give up.
I keep getting the top bun off.
Actually doing something here.
Okay. You're doing it?
On. Yes.
Oh no.
Okay. I just had to catch it.
Oh no.
No. Pick it up.
Oh! I got another one. Woo!
Wait. I got it. Wait. Yeah, we're counting that. We're counting that. There we go.
Okay.
Woo! So you have 2 now.
I have 2.
Okay, so now I need a new card.
On the slow speed.
Put it on there. No!
Woo! I got a vegetarian.
You got one! Mine like totally failed.
Mine's a salad burger.
Okay, so. There we go. I got it. We're counting this. Okay.
Woo, got one.
I totally broke my hand on it. We're counting it still. Well, does this ever end? Or do you just have to like make a lot of cards? I don't even know. Here, I say we'll count. This is your last burger.
Okay. See if I
Either way, you won. Because mine's like terrible.
Ooh.
Yeah, you got it. Wow, really good job. Okay, Spidey totally split.
I have 5 burgers.
I have 3, and I feel like I kind of cheated on all of them. Here's mine. Like, yeah, they're already falling apart. You know?
Woo, yeah!
It's a funny one. That means I have to buy lunch, and it's gonna be expensive.
Yep, buy me lunch.
All right, so Spidey Hardcore, kick my butt.
Boo! I think you gotta pay for 5 burgers.
I know. So $2 a burger, so $10, and then $1 for the toy.
Yeah, so that's
It's gonna be like
$11.
so expensive.
Yeah, ching!
Okay, so let's turn this on. Burger. Okay, so 5 times
Yep.
2 is $10.
Yep.
Plus $1 for the toy, so $11. Here we go. Okay, and then this is gonna be a really good toy for you. So
I know, I'm
silly.
excited. Okay, let's open it. Let's see. Happy
Pumpkins!
Pumpkins!
I feel like we've been opening Shopkins for years, but I still love them.
I know, I still love the stuff.
Yeah.
This is for this. Yeah, I love how
because I think it comes with 3.
it comes with a lot of stuff. Yeah.
Yeah.
And I like how it's like a moving box. So it's
Yeah, so it's kind of different. Oh yeah, they've gotten very creative, I feel like.
Yeah.
The happy places are cool. I really like their dollhouse.
Let's open it.
And the dolls in the Shopkins.
Oh yeah, those are perfect. How well they work with all the Loopsy dolls.
Yes.
It's like it's perfect. So here's our Fiddler Peach.
Yeah, which we've been using. Yeah.
I know, yeah, definitely. And then 3 blind bags.
Yes.
So blind bag number. Oh, woo! Rip them all out.
Yeah, we can put them on the conveyor belt.
Here we go. Oh, a little peely roses.
Oh, that's cute. Yeah. It looks like a cow or no, that's a bear. Sorry.
Yeah. And then a little table.
Oh, no way. Oh, that's cool.
Maybe a table to put this on.
Wow, that's way cool.
And they look like bears.
Yeah.
Like two
It's
bears.
like a berry living room.
And then what is this? Here, this is it's a little MP3 player or something like that.
Yeah, because it's got music on it.
Yeah, like an iPod or something.
Yeah, that's cool. And then they're all just hanging out
And it just plays music
on the table. That's cool.
Yeah,
That's
for your living
actually,
room.
yeah, wow, these are like the best blind bags ever. All right, so our happy places are going to go for a little ride. Wait, can we play them?
Oh, yeah.
Let's see. Oh, no, I already messed it up. Wait. Ah!
There you go.
Can I get it? I doubt it. I doubt it. Ah!
Oh,
it's like kind of.
on its side.
Yeah. This is, well, there we go. Okay. Very hard game, but like super fun.
Super cool.
Super fun. And I think I lost because how much? I have $4 left.
I have $12.
$12. So I super
Still go
lost.
shopping.
Yes, so you can buy like a really cheap t-shirt or something.
Yeah,
Like a really cheap.
probably.
Anyway, please like this video. Subscribe to the DisneyCarToys channel, especially if you want us to do more cool games for this fall.
I know, I hope there's more like this because it was really fun.
Yeah, it's really cool. Thanks for watching.
Click on a picture to watch another fun toy video and click on the question mark to watch a mystery video.